Welcome, YouTube, to the weekly breakdown, weekly Forex breakdown. I hope you guys are okay and you had a good week. I'm eating Ben & Jerry's and energy drink to finish this awful week. That's an absolute dirty combo. It is what it is. You just got to reflect on those losses. We'll go over the two trades you took, actually. We'll go over them. Because I think you just got skewered by news, to be honest. I think you took Euro Swiss, Pound Swiss, didn't you? So we'll go over that in a minute. Let me just post this live stream. Ping, pause the YouTube. Perfect. We're live. Yeah, we have a giveaway for those that are in. We have a giveaway ending in 10 minutes. So if you guys want to win a quick little super easy 10k account, all you have to do is go to the giveaway channel and click enter. That's it. There's only 50 people entered, so you've got what? Well, a 1 in 50 chance. No, actually no, 1 in 25 chance, which is a 4% chance of winning, which isn't too bad, and you don't have to do anything. The next one's going to be a better giveaway, don't worry, because we've done like a 10k, another 10k, more 10ks, more 10ks, more 10ks. So I'm going to try and get something better, because the 10ks are getting boring now. So I'll try and get something a little bit juicier for you guys. I think we've gotten a giveaway straight after this, probably, I don't know, Tuesday probably, with a new firm. But I'm going to try and get some big accounts. By big, I'm talking, I'll try and get like a 50k minimum. My break and retest work that cancelled. Yeah, I know. I'm pretty sure I cancelled one and it worked as well. We'll go over that anyway. So small instant account. Yeah, not many firms are instant anymore. You've got like Stocknet, you got FT UK. They've sort of gone super quiet. There isn't many that are doing good. I don't know why that is, but yeah, it's a bit odd. So most of the firms are doing giveaways with most of them are just new normal firms, to be honest. But yeah, I'll try and skin them a little bit for like, try and get a potential 100k account. That'd be nice. Like last year they used to do so many giveaways, it was ridiculous. That was like the meta for marketing a prop firm last year. It was just hire a team of 20 people and just DM every single influencer, trading group, everyone you can think of. Say, here's 5 10k accounts, go give them away. All they have to do is join our Discord and hop on our website. That was like the way to do it, but that's sort of slowed down because it looks a bit scam, not scammy, but more spammy, to be honest, doing giveaways. But yeah, anyway, right, let's get to it. So last week, should we go over last week, or should we just go a complete breakdown and go over what happened as well? We'll just do it pair by pair, fuck it. So first of all, news. Monday we've got some JPY stuff, which I don't think that's much. We have heavy USD. We have all the EU manufacturing stuff, pound, euro, Swiss, another euro, and all day USD Wards total vehicle sales. Never seen that before. All day, that's interesting. Tuesday, Swiss CPI, JPY, 10-year, that's fine. Okay, Swiss and USD. Wednesday, okay, Aussie dollar GDP. Euro PPI, that's yellow, but that can have a bit of an impact. USD CAD, okay, an interesting one. Okay, we got a fairly active week, to be fair. Thursday we've got a little bit. Friday we've got a bit. Oh, we've got NFP. So we got an interesting week, basically. Same took Euro Swiss. Welcome, YouTube, by the way. If you guys have any questions or whatever, feel free. I'm just going to be doing a breakdown of pretty much everything. And I'm going to be covering trades from last week as well, because there was quite a lot of levels tapped. Some people dabbled on the 4-hour I saw last week. I'm pretty sure they did, at least. Or they were taking weaker daily levels. I don't know if that's because some people are just forward testing, or you guys are getting bored because there's not been a trade and you decided to take weaker trades. I'm not too sure. That giveaway ends in 5 minutes, by the way, so we'll see. Degens, yeah. To be fair, I'm going to start taking some of those trades as well on my forward testing account, because I do want to collect some data. So pound Aussie, anyway, pound Aussie, There is absolutely nothing. We had a little break and retest of this wick here, which has done like 30 pips, which on a 4 hour is, yeah, again, that's like again, a degen trade, 72 pips, break and retest with the ATR and a psych level. It's not that bad. That's a 4 hour trade, of course, but that's when you need to build new conditions as well, because, you know, a 70 pip level, I'm all right. Even when trading a 4 hour, I'm always going to stick to 100 pips plus. Because if I'm aiming for 30 pips, roughly, you know, that's a 30% pullback. If you're looking at a level that's done a 50 pip move and you're expecting a 30 pip pullback, you're expecting it to do, what's that, quick math, 60% of the move, which is pretty hefty. Yeah, I think so. Don't know. Is there any you can check my ticket later? Yeah, 100%. I'll check your ticket after, don't worry. I'll do it as soon as I've done this. So pound Aussie, I don't really have anything. You've got this level still up here, completely valid, but of course we've now got this as well that we need to look out for. So if we see a move and a bit of rejection and a slow move into this, I won't take it. I'm looking for a clean break of this and a straight tap into this level, and that could be potential. But apart from that, you've got that as like a rough retest level, which, yeah, could be a nice forward test trade, but I'm not willing to take that on my main account, at least. Let's see, it could be like a, I mean, if you move it from there, it's a 61. You've got the psych level, like, I mean, that's 36 pips below. No, you don't. So yeah, you got a little break retest there, but I'm not taking that. So nothing on pound Aussie. By the way, also, not sure if you heard, there's another 100% prop firm like FTMO called Ascendex. Yeah, I've heard of them. I don't know they did 100%. 100% don't do, I mean, FTMO don't do 100%. I'm pretty damn sure. Funding traders do 100%. One of one do 100%. Oh, 100% likely to be paid? Nah, no chance. You're saying Ascendex, 100% chance of being paid. No firm is 100% chance of being paid. And nah, I would not say Ascendex is 100%. Definitely not. There are only two, I'd say, FTMO and Alpha Capital Group. And then you've got like the US ones like Top Step. They're meant to be really good. Apex, they're more futures though. But I wouldn't say Ascendex are exactly in the top 5 yet. Or even, I don't know if they're even in the top 10, to be honest. But they're all right. I know they're okay, but I wouldn't say they're on par with FTMO. I have an Ascendex giveaway account from you, Leon. Oh yeah, we did one ages ago, didn't we? Yeah, I definitely wouldn't say they're up there with the top ones at the minute. Definitely not. Not saying they're bad though, by the way. Pound CAD, this was a really nice retest. As you can see, I was looking for this. It did have the ATR, but that just wasn't really enough for me. ATR and the break retest, I don't know. I think I've done it in the past and I've given it a try, but I just wanted something more because it was a heavy move in as well. As you can see from that hourly candle, yes, it did work, but we saw a fucking dump into the level. A hefty dump. I'm pretty sure that was CAD news. Yeah, it was. So I wanted to see some sort of alignment in order to take that, but there wasn't much at all. So for me, bit of a risky one. Within the ticket, it's about signal providers similar to one users. Okay, all good. So yeah, if anyone did anyone take that trade? I don't think anyone here took it. But yeah. Oh, you did? Otto took it, Kev did. I'm guessing you hit take profit, right? Wait, Otto, you must hit take profit, surely? Did minus 19 plus 50. Surely you hit take profit. Oh, right, okay. I was going to say, yeah, because I thought you took 2 losses. Yeah, I was going to say that was a really nice trade. Well, if Kev caught, I think, what's his name? Tux took it as well. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's nice, but a bit too risky for me. So that is off the table now. Pound CAD is gone. We could have the highs. I'm not really interested right now, but it could be potential soon. Apart from that, you do have like this break retest, which I'm not a massive fan of, to be honest. You've got that, and then you've got the lower level there, but yeah, I'm not too keen. I could use this as alignment if we had, I don't know, Euro CAD coming to a nice level and Pound CAD was coming to that break retest zone, like this level, then yeah, sure, but this isn't exactly amazing. So yeah, nothing there. GJ had a reaction from the high. which was interesting as an intervention level. We did have a reaction off that low intervention level here, so I guess it was expected. It was a bit of a risky one, but it did work. It did like minus 20-ish and then plus almost 200. So yeah, I don't know if it had anything lining up. Let's see. No ATR or anything. Did you have the psych level? No psych level, no ATR. Maybe some alignment with other JPY pairs, but yeah, it worked. It gave a reaction. I'm not really looking to take anything here. Nothing really stands out apart from maybe this wick down here. And that level can be deleted now. So that's it for GJ. Nothing yet. Pound Swiss. Okay, so I forgot. Fucking hell, I think I was going to go for this trade, but then we saw Swiss news come out, right? Let me go back on trades because I was looking to take this in alignment with USD Swiss. Oh fuck, was it Euro Swiss I was looking to take? No, Euro Swiss is the one I missed because it hit like really early in the morning, and also Swiss news came out and it basically fucked it. It was only yellow impact Swiss news, but it had a heavy impact basically. And then pound Swiss come to level, and I was looking for a alignment with USD Swiss because obviously Swiss was super strong, and for Swiss to slow down, we obviously needed to stop moving against the driver, which obviously was USD Swiss, which we did actually see a reaction, and it has reacted, but pound Swiss was a little bit late. Was that the trade I was looking at? Fuck no, I was looking for NZD Swiss. I was looking for pound Swiss, but it missed by 7 and did a reaction. So as you can see, the move in, we came in really strong, and then we got to how far away? Yeah, 6 pips, and it instantly within, what was that, like, 45 minutes did like 21 pips. So for me, because it's such a counter trend move, if we do see a heavy reaction like that, I'm most likely going to cancel. Whereas if we were in an uptrend right now, you know, and we saw that, then I probably still would go for it because the bias is to the upside. But when we're against the trend and we see a heavy reaction, little retracement, then I'm probably not going to go for it. I'm looking for price to see that retracement from my level. I'm not looking for a retracement before my level because statistically, again, what's the chance of price then tapping you in, giving an even bigger reaction when you know, if you look at the higher time frame, it's in opposite direction. I don't know. So yeah, that was fair with that one. And instead, I was looking for NZD Swiss. So I was looking for this because this was like one of the last Swiss pairs to potentially tap a level, and it was perfect alignment with USD Swiss. But I don't know. It just had a reaction before, I'm pretty sure. Let's have a look. So NZD Swiss saw a reaction at about 10-11 o'clock. USD Swiss saw a reaction. I mean, you had an initial reaction, which I'm guessing is what fucked up the NZD Swiss pair. Then we saw that secondary tap at 3 o'clock, which, yeah, no. It was that initial move that messed us up there, which it reacted from. Don't have a clue what it reacted from. It was that first reaction here that messed us up. Yeah, not too sure what it was, but that sort of messed up the NZD Swiss trade. But yeah, it's what it is. It is what it is. Right, let's carry on. Pound Swiss. What do we have now? That break retest didn't technically. I mean, it has provided a move, but based on entries, it didn't work. However, this does look nice. This level here. The psyche is technically just below, but I'm not going to count that as a confidence. I don't think we'll see a fib unless that is a really nice 61. No. Unless you want to go big fib, potentially line up there. Nope. And there is no other fib, so delete that down here. So the only thing that you have here is potential, ATR, strong move in with an EMA. Potentially see alignment with like another pound pair, another Swiss pair. That's all I'm really going to see. I've lost chart. Oops. 1 second. There we go. So yeah, that's the only level I'm interested in. And potential high. The high is looking not too bad at the minute. I would prefer it to see a bit more of a move. And then that can obviously be potential. But yeah, nothing at the minute. This is obviously nice, but we're not seeing anything to convince us to take it. So I'm just going to wait on that. Pound New Zealand dollar. It's just been in this weird range. This range here, it was even a smaller range. You got like 2 separate ranges here. And yeah, it's not really doing anything. So I'm just going to wait for a break. Probably a break and retest of that, or a break and retest of that. The next levels you have is this one down here and this one all the way up here. So yeah, you're just waiting for something like that. So we'll see. Yeah, you can trade it maybe on the 4-hour time frame right now, but yeah, let's have a look at the 4-hour. It's just sideways, so it's a bit of a risky one to trade, but yeah, you can go for it. You can trade highs and lows. Do you count the 4-hour EMA? No, I don't know. No. I only look at the daily EMAs or SMA, whatever you want to look at. But if you're taking a 4-hour trade, then yeah, sure, you can look at the 4-hour. But I just don't think there's enough strength in taking a 4-hour EMA on a daily time frame, personally. GU had a really nice reaction from 1.28. This one wasn't enough for me. We had a nice level, which was 100 and something pips, 130 pips, but that was literally it. You had that in the psych. A level and a psych level for me isn't strong enough. I want like one extra thing. If there was ATR and a psych level, yeah, I would have went for it. If there was alignment, 100%, potential trend line, EMA, yeah, I would have went for it. We did have a trend line from the low, as you can see from this low here to this low, and obviously trend line duplication if we move that up. We could have potentially seen, if we go back, a nice little top of the trend line and a level, but didn't really line up. Price was nowhere near the trend line, as you can see. It missed the trend line by like 20 pips, which isn't really a zone that I'd be looking at. A bit too wide for me. But yeah, had a really nice reaction. So again, I think Tux took that, the little degen. He bagged, I don't know, I think he came out at plus 14% for the week. 2% risk per trade, and he came out at plus 14%. Absolute madman. He was taking pretty much, sorry, stop burping there, every daily level with a confluence. So like this had the 1.28 in the level, so you were taking it. But it was on a small 5k account, just messing around, I think. Yeah, 14% in a week. If you check the profits channel, I'm pretty sure I posted it in there. Mental. But yeah, it worked. Fair play, and he's entering at like the first confluence. So yeah, interesting. But yeah, he smashed it. So now on GU, I don't see anything. We've already had the break and retest of that level, which missed by a few pips. So not really interested in that. It's a nice 186 pips as well. But I guess you could look at like a deeper retracement into that, because that retest was, I don't know, it broke by 60-ish and then missed by like 8 and then did a move. But you could look at that if you're forward testing, you could give that a go and just collect the data. But apart from that, nothing really there unless you wait for these highs. Euro Aussie, again, we broke this high now, created a new high. You do have the low, which I wouldn't really be interested in taking on, you know, main account type thing. I could use it as alignment, but I don't know, to me that's not nice. I don't know, I'm really biased. I was talking to JJ about this, I think, in the chat. Like, I think we had a level this week that was a buy level, but I was like, it doesn't really look that nice. So I decided to switch it round. For example, go Aussie dollar euro instead. And then I was like, holy shit, that's actually really nice. So like here, do you guys think that is a nice level up here? This zone up here, is that nice? Would you take that? It is... oh shit. It's 100 plus pips. I think it's like 160 pips. Would you guys take that? Yes or no? Let me put a poll. You know what? We'll use a poll. Take? Question mark. Yes. No. Boom. There you go. Let you guys vote. I want at least 5 votes, otherwise we're not moving on. 5 votes. I'm not having everyone asleep. We're not having that. And I'll vote. Actually, no, I won't vote. I'll let you guys vote. 1 vote. Come on. 4 more people to vote. Otherwise, everyone gets banned. So to be fair, with this level, like we had obviously this. It's created a low. We've came up for a retest, and it's pushed and created a new low. So did this level get stronger? We created a new low. So now we're coming up for another test, potentially break the low again. Would you take that or not? Okay, you guys are fucking asleep. Come on, open chat, open the Forex chat, click the little button and vote. 4 votes, there we go, 1 more, come on. Like, YouTube's more active than you guys and there's fucking no one in it. There we go, 6 votes. Right, 5 people said yes, 1 person said no. Okay, so 80% said yes. Now, if I go to this, would you take that low? This low here. Would you take that as a level? It's 180 pips. Would you take that? You know what? I'm going to post another poll. Yes. No. Take? Question mark? I spell it wrong. There you go. Will you take this one? We got 2 votes for yes. Yes, no. Yes, no. Okay, so if you guys are saying yes, then... Okay, so... Interesting. So 1... Okay, no, we're going back. Okay, we're still 5 and 2. Okay, interesting. See, for me, it's really weird because I see this and I don't really like it. I think that doesn't look too good. I don't know why. I don't think that's a very good level. But when I go like that and look at it the other way around, I think that looks like a nice level. I think that looks like a good level that I'd potentially take. I don't know. It's really weird. And that screwed me up like there was one this week. If you had not shown it, I wouldn't have taken a buy. Yeah, it's really weird. Yeah, I think I do favor sells. Even though the levels are the exact same. This buy level just doesn't look good to me, but the sell level looks so much nicer. It's less chop, maybe that's why. No, it's the exact same, A-Rad. It's just, this is Euro Aussie, and this is Aussie Euro. They're both the exact same. It's just inverted. That's it. If you flip this upside down now, it'd be the exact same. I think you can. I'm pretty sure you can. No, don't know. Actually, never mind. I like buys more every time. I prefer sells. Really weird. But anyway, yeah, that technically is a nice level. If we look at the line chart, that can point it out easier. No, it can't. Yeah, I guess it can. Made a move. Made a bigger move. Potentially seen an even bigger move. That level's got stronger for me. So yeah, that level does have potential. But, you know, there's not going to be anything lining up with that. Unless you want to draw like a dodgy trend line like this. Potentially. And go for a trend line tap like that. But it's not exactly my cup of tea, that trend line. So most likely more going to use this as alignment. We'll look for a buy on another Euro pair. Euro CAD. That level is 95 pips. Just pushing. So that can be a nice little forward test. I don't know if it lines up with anything. We'll whack a little fib on and see. Yeah, fucking beautiful. Oh, okay. 1.47 psych, 61 fib, potential EMA. Yeah, that's all right. And I feel like we could get like a weird cheeky trend line here. No, I don't think so, actually. It's a tiny bit higher, isn't it? It's like there. No, that's going to be like next week. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Unless we see like a trendline duplication happen, which you could be looking at that. Let's draw that on and go like that. And let's duplicate that to the downside. And let's whack that on there. Oh my god. Oh my god. There you go. I will take that. If we see alignment with the trend line as well, I'll take that. That's a beautiful trade. I know it's only 100 pips, Well, 96. So technically I'm going against my rule by 4 pips. But if we don't see any sort of reaction from this shit, because we got that level, many little levels. If we just see a nice, clean move straight into this level, I'll go for that because it makes sense. So sometimes you can sort of not go against your plan, but, you know, steer away a little bit as long as the trade makes sense. That's it. And to me, that makes sense. As long as we don't see some sort of, you know, big move and then a move into it, you know. Rules are made to be broken. I wouldn't really say that, but yeah. Whatever you want to call it. Definitely stick to your rules, but yeah, I like that. I'll set an alert. Euro CAD is the trade of the week so far. Euro Swiss, yeah, there is no real way of explaining this, to be honest. Break retest was nice, but unfortunately news came out, and yeah, you couldn't have really predicted news. Thursday morning it came out, and it was low impact news that fucked people. So we had this news here, GDP. I mean, it was GDP. That's why if you look at pretty much any other currency pair, GDP is normally a red folder news. Same with like this, for example, JPY CPI, it's an orange folder news, but on every other pair it's red. It's very, very strange. Look, as you can see, Canadian GDP is red. Swiss GDP is medium. Plus, this is quarterly. This is only the monthly GDP. The quarterly is even bigger. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Let's see if there's any more GDP. Yeah, there. Aussie dollar GDP quarter, red impact. But you know, when it goes to Swiss, medium. So you need to know like the top news releases, even if they're yellow impacts, like this bastard, BOJ core CPI, yellow folder news. If I go and have a look what happened to the charts right here, Tuesday, May 8th, 6 a.m. You ready? Tuesday, May 8th, 6 a.m. May 8th. Fucking hell, wait, May 8th. No, May 28th. Tuesday, May 28th. Let's have a look. So, that's like 15. Let's say you're in a trade, you're in a buy. Let's say you're in this, I don't know, whatever. Let's just... Oh, to be fair, that's actually pretty big. What time did it come out? 6 a.m. To be fair, it didn't do that much. What did it do? 6 a.m. It did... To be fair, it pushed 30 pips within like an hour and a half. I guess that's not that bad. But obviously it's dependent on the actual the difference. Where is the donation button? Yo, bro, don't you read YouTube comments? Yeah, I do. It's just we've had no comments. You're the first comment. I don't have a donation button. I don't expect you to donate. It's all right. You save the money and go buy a very cheap funded account and go crazy and potentially get a payout. Can you mute Hemo? Yeah, sorry. Sorry, Hemo. But anyway, see any CPI release, any GDP release, potential PPI release, obviously FOMC stuff, even if it's yellow folder, just check it, because depending on what they say during that actual meeting, it can fuck up the market. So check previous releases. Anything containing the Bank of Japan, sometimes it's yellow, as you can see, and sometimes it's red. Where's the yellow one? Let's have a look. Was the one this week? This week, come on. Any BOJ stuff? Bank of Canada. No, to be fair, there isn't. But yeah, just be careful anyway. No, it's all right. I'll unmute you if you've muted yourself. Okay, no, you haven't. Okay, all good. Anyway, yeah, just be careful. That's all. Because yeah, you can get fucked like that. And it's so annoying to get fucked by something that just you know, you couldn't control really. You can unmute him, can I can. There we go. Beautiful. Right, let's get back into it. So, yeah, EuroCAD, Euro Aussie, sorry. We got the low potential order 61, which is a bit of a weird one. But EuroCAD is looking juicy. This level is really, really nice. Euro Swiss is what it is. We saw a smash of that level. We do have that, which is 115 pips, which I don't know. Euro Swiss is a bit of a interesting one. It's not the best mover, so unless we see some beautiful 61 fib, you ready? No fib. We do have nothing pretty much. Absolutely nothing. So no EMA, no psych, no ATR. So unless we see some potential alignment across Euro, which like that's 70 away. That's like shit, to be fair, that's like 70 away as well. So we could see some alignment across Euro Swiss and EuroCAD, and that could be nice. Obviously I'd rather take EuroCAD, but Euro Swiss is technically the bigger level, and it did break the previous level, so you do have that confluence as well, there as well. So potential. Have you ever tried trading outside in? I don't have a clue what you mean. What do you mean outside in? So yeah, Euro Swiss, I'm not a massive fan, to be honest. Nothing really there. Euro JPY, I'm not really bothered about trading JPY pairs at the minute. They're all very, very boring. Euro NZD is pretty shit, to be honest. We were looking for the break and retest of this level, and as you can see, it missed by a few pips. And then I was looking for a buy from this level, which again, that happened overnight, and it was due to news. We had a trendline duplication of that level. And as you can see, trendline tap beautifully. Trading without patterns. Oh yeah, I don't trade with patterns. I don't use patterns. I just use levels. That's it. I add the odd trendline on now, just to see, because I like using them every now and then. If they do, like, they rarely line up, but if they do, then it's pretty nice. So I literally just trade using levels. Basic ass price action. I just look at this chart and identify the strong potential areas of reversal. You see this one here, nice little reversal. Technically 2 reversals, 3 reversals. We had that, and we had that third one, all from this zone here. And then I stack it up with other confluences like fib, alignment. They're the main ones, and you have like ATR, psych level, EMA, regular previous level, that type of stuff. Better than ICT. I'm not going to say better or worse, but no strat is better than other strats. It's all dependent on your, how you like to trade. Some people like to take more trades, lower win rate, higher risk reward. Some people like to spend 2 hours a day on the charts and just sit there. Some people like to spend 1 hour a week and take one trade. If you don't take a trade in 2 weeks, you're not asked. Entirely up to you. Yeah, I'll turn the music down in a sec. I'll turn it down for you. Lo-fi, 1 second. Volume, I'll go 20. Is that quieter? Let me know if it's quiet. I can turn it down even more if you want. I have to go. If you could just check the ticket for the reward of the challenge. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Will do. You're going to get some angry ICT trades coming for you. Don't worry, I've already scared them all off on my Instagram and stuff. I made a video the other week and caused a bit of drama in the comments. it was interesting. You got to do the, a little bit of the controversial one. So controversial. I can't remember what I was saying. I don't even know what I said in the video, to be honest. I was talking about, like, I don't know. One sec, let me quickly check. Instagram. Which one was it? Trading from benefits of being traded, trading psychology, trading space. It's this one. It was this one. I was saying how normal, like, support and resistance traders get absolutely bullied by the ICT people. We used to, but now it's like nowhere near as bad. I was basically saying that it's, the trading space has lost a bit of attention recently. Yeah, I always do get the ICT fanboys sometimes, and they love to hate. Yeah, I'll do it again, don't worry, man. I'll just turn it down. pretty much all the way. Volume 10. If you really can't hear, all you have to do is go to the music bot, right click it, and just do that. Or you can mute it. You can right click, mute. It's just I have to have it on so the YouTube guys can hear, and it's for you guys it's a bit less boring rather than just listening to, you know, my voice, because it kind of get a bit monotonous and yeah, boring. Why trade like the people when you can trade against them? ICT outdated. No, it's not outdated at all. Nothing's outdated. Nothing's outdated. You can trade however you want and still make money. But yeah, it's the popularity of ICT concepts has obviously decreased because COVID and the Andrew Tate thing where he boosted all the online presence caused a lot of people to jump into the trading space. And when it did, ICT started to pop off, and you know that was the main one everyone's trading. So that's why, you know, ICT developed that toxic community, because most of the community were fucking 15, and then it started to build like a, you know, a bit of a cult, like, oh, if you don't trade ICT you're a shit trader, and then started a war against, you know, support and resistance and trend lines and pattern traders and stuff like that. But most of those people who hopped onto that little ICT train, gone. They did it for a few months, thought they were absolute beasts, and they are not even a whisper. Gone. That's not hate on ICT, that's just, you know, whatever. The random walk, the random, what? Hypnosis, is it? Yeah, I've seen a random walk thing, random walk theory. That's like with market efficiency and stuff, isn't it? I watched a Mark Douglas video on, I think it was Mark Douglas, he was talking about random walk. Yeah. Oh god, one sec. There you go. Right. Yeah, USD, I don't have anything. We saw a tap into, I know, again, I'm pretty sure Tux took this level, the little degen. I don't know if it'd take profit or not, but he took this level. I think it was the 23 fib. No, it wasn't. Okay, so it's just the EMA psych level, I guess, and that was it. And ATR, I'm pretty sure, but yeah, I don't see anything there. I'm interested in. Your NZD had nothing either. Aussie dollar card, this pair is boring at the minute. You have that 70 pips. I'm not willing to go for that. It was a nice break and retest, but I'm not willing to go for that now. Yeah, it's absolutely shit. So there's nothing there. Aussie Swiss, yeah. ICT equals I can't trade. Whoa. We've had quite a few arguments in the Discord recently. In Lounge, I've had to ban a few people or remove some because they're just bloody good. It's not about ICT, to be fair. We used to have so many ICT arguments. It was a pain in the ass. Just people constantly, oh, ICT is a scammer, he's a fraud, he doesn't know how to trade. Oh, fucking hell. Why do you care? Why do you care? I don't know why people give so much energy to just useless conversations. It's just pointless, man. Like, I see some people in the lounge. I mean, most of them are gone now, but just kids pissing around in the lounge, just arguing about something, and then someone like says a comment, and then they start arguing with them. Like, what is the point? It's just such a waste of energy. That's one thing I've learned from having a Discord is, as soon as like someone just starts, you know, rather than having a constructive, you know, nice conversation, as soon as they start to, you know, troll or say weird comments or whatever, I just leave it. I'm not even going to reply. It's not worth it. Are you talking to your student? I'm talking to the people in the Discord. That's why I stay in MCR chat. Yeah, it's not that bad, to be honest. There's been a few in the lounge, a few people with big egos or whatever every now and then. But yeah, they're interesting. I've gotten rid of most of them, to be honest. I've cracked down because we used to be really good. And then over Christmas, we had a few people join, and it got a little bit antsy every now and then. And then yeah, cracked down, got rid of them. Now it's doing all right again. Are they profitable? Yeah, we have a few people. We have a few people doing really good. Someone bagged 14% this week. I mean, if you're talking about the people who trade my strategy, most people are, I mean, like beginning of the year, we went through a bit of a weird phase. I don't know if it was just me or other people as well. I think some other people did as well. Because I changed the strategy a bunch because I wanted it to work even better than it was already working. And it backfired a little bit, I'll say that. And yeah, it got me in deep drawdown on basically all of my accounts. And I went on a crazy back testing, forward testing, changing the strat, putting it back to normal phase for a few months. And then for like the past 2 months, I've been recovering out of drawdown. And yeah, back to it now. I'm still not out of drawdown on all my accounts. I'm on some, but not all of them. No, most of them are profitable. Most of them are up. But for example, we have like a partnership with another, I don't know if you call them firm. What do you call 369? Firm, prop firm, not prop firm. A firm where they mentor and like mentor and fund traders, and like a bunch of them have like 5k accounts. And I think there's one person has failed who was not really sticking to the strategy, but apart from that, pretty much every single person is up. One person's almost passed, and the rest of them, most of you are doing pretty well. Anywhere from like, I mean, anywhere from break even. I think the highest one currently, who's still on stage 1, is like 7%, I think. But yeah, they're all doing well. I mean, it's a pretty high win rate, easy strategy to, you know, use. If you know, I mean, it's a bit silly and insane. If you know which trades to take, then, you know, you're going to be good. But with experience, you know which levels are good. And it's sort of just like, I've learned to sort of just build a story around a trade. Like, you know, for example, this break and retest, does it make sense? Like, you have confidences that help you build a story. It's like a break of a previous level, for example. Tell them I'm slightly autistic and dyslexic and I'm a profitable crypto trader. There you go, guys. If you're autistic and dyslexic, you can still be profitable. But yeah, for example, like break your previous level is one that helps you make the trade make sense. So if you, for example, let's say, let's draw a little hypothetical. You have a big level. Oh no, let's go. Okay, so here we have 2 okay levels. We have 1 really good level. Okay level, big level. Obviously, because the move's bigger. A break of previous level is just a confidence that is, it helps you build a story. So if you see a reaction from this, just raw probabilities. If we see a reaction from this level, right? We break. We see a reaction from this level. What's the probability of us seeing a reaction from this level as well? Compared to price smashes this one and smashes this one, what's the probability of price giving a reaction from this? I guess it's I mean, from someone who doesn't trade, I guess it's a bit of a difficult one, because you're going to say, oh, well, if price gives a reaction from this and this, then surely it's going to give a reaction from this. And, you know, if we break this and break this, you're going to say, oh, well, surely it's going to break this one as well. But that's not the way the market works. If you see a break of a level, think of it in, let's say, think of it in probabilities again. So currently, there's a 20% chance of that providing a rejection. There's a 20% chance of this providing a rejection. And there's a 50% chance of this providing a reaction. Once this breaks, right, the probability of these then giving a reaction increases. Let's say that one breaks as well. Those probabilities get stacked, because the chance of price is, for example, like heads or tails. The chance of you getting a heads, I mean, this is sort of like the inverse. A head is 50%. Then getting ahead again is then 2 heads in a row is 25%. 3 heads in a row is like, I don't know if it's 12.5%. I think that's how it works. It halves, I'm pretty sure. And then it goes less and less and less and less and less. Whereas this, when you break 1, like what is the chance of price breaking every single level in a row? This is, you know, not including high impact news, for example. Very fucking slim. So if it breaks 3 in a row, it's like, for example, gold. Gold was psychological levels. Psychological levels are gold on gold at every $25. So 2,100, 2,125, 2,150, 75, so on. The chance of gold breaking through 2 psychological levels in a row is very slim, very fucking slim. So if you see a break of 1 psychological level, the chance of it rejecting that second one, it's worth betting on. Because there's, I mean, if we just go, let's have a look. Let's have a little play through this. Obviously, we don't want big ass fundamentals. Let's have a look. So let's mark out real quick some horizontal lines on this bad boy. Let's test the theory. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you seeing it? 5. Are you seeing it? So let's go to it. Let's start from here. Reaction. Big ass reaction. See, then see a push. Technically, we saw a break of a psych level here. Would you say that's break or reaction? Did 60 drawdown plus 27. So that is, yes, a win. We then broke the psych level. And then what happened? The next psych level fucking worked a treat. Okay? Here, we then broke the psych level. Okay? The break and retest worked, but we didn't really see that second psych level, so I don't know. You can't really claim that. But then we saw a retest of the psych level, and guess what? It worked. As you can see, we saw a tap and a big ass wick. I don't know how many pips that was. 130. Next psych level, fucking worked a treat. Twice. We then broke, retested the psych level. It worked again. We then saw a clean break. Oh shit. Then we got the second one. Where's the next one? Shit, 2,400, 2,425. We saw a second break, but so then we saw, right, so here we saw 2 breaks in a row. 2,400 failed and 2,425 failed. But guess what happened at the next one? 2,450. To the fucking T. Look at the rejection from 2,450 after we saw 2 breaks in a row. Whack. That bitch dumped. Absolutely dumped. Then we had a bit of a piss around for a while. We saw a clean break. And guess what? Reaction off the next one. Then we saw a... Oh shit, technically a reaction. There was that wick. I don't know how much it did, but it did 100 plus. So that one... Oh, well, here we go. Failed. Worked. Worked. Fucking worked a treat. And then fail. I don't know. You can't really class it when it's going up and down around a level. It's more if that fails and we see a tap into the second one, really. So it's a bit of a difficult one here. But anyway, then that worked. That worked. So out of all them, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't. You can't really count which ones worked and which didn't, because I guess the range around a level doesn't really count. But when you see in a strict move up and down past these levels, that's when it's really nice. But anyway, that is like simple theory of, like, you know, break a previous level and, you know, how it works. But yeah, that is just psych levels, for example. But yeah, really interesting. Right, we've actually taken fucking ages with this analysis. Let me just check this message, 1 second. Okay, right. Nice. Anyway, this break retest worked a treat, but again, I'm pretty sure this was Aussie dollar news, which was a bit of a bummer. Was it? That first one was a cancel due to Aussie not is that Aussie news, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure it was. What was it? I don't know. But either way, we had ATR, we had the fib, and what do we have? The EMA technically. I think it was that first misses when we cancelled. It missed by 7 and did like 40, and then we saw that secondary tap on Friday. But that's just, yeah, you can't really take that. There is no buy opportunities. You do have this break retest, which is only 50 pips, which is a big no for me. So yeah, nothing there. Aussie US dollar, you had a tap into this level, which was like 80 pips. Again, I'm not really, wasn't keen on that, but I feel like Tux most likely took it. He took every single level this week. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not really seeing anything. This level isn't. Yeah, with that tap, I mean, sorry, no, with this level here, we saw a little move and a push halfway back into it. I'm not really willing to go for it if we see a tap now. Yeah, and the next potential thing is all the way down here, so nothing on Aussie US dollar. NZD CAD is boring as shit. We're not seeing anything. You got that level at 50 pips, but no thanks. NZD Swiss still does have potential. I wouldn't take it now, though. That's the only thing. We've seen a reaction on all Swiss pairs, so if we see a continuation downwards, I wouldn't really go for it now. I would have to see, you know, a bit of, you know, whatever, a retracement and a bit of consolidation, and then a strong move into it, and potentially, yeah. But for now, that's pretty much done and dusted for me. You do have the potential high, and that's about it. NJ, not really trading JPY. NU, this level is losing confidence every day, to be honest. This zone was big as fuck anyway to start with, and we saw like this weird move. We had a strong move, and then it consolidated for a week and missed the zone by like 30-ish, consolidated just below the zone. Then we saw a secondary tap, push towards the zone, missed by a few pips. Saw another reaction, and now we've pushed into it late Friday, back into this level. So I'm not really keen on this unless we see some DXY alignment, for example, an ATR or something that's high. Then yeah, I'll go for it. But yeah, I doubt we're going to see DXY alignment. We need USD strength, so we need DXY to hit a nice buy zone. So unless we come and tap into this level, yeah, I'm not really going for that. Or, you know, we could potentially break this and go for this lower zone down here. But I don't know if we'll see that. Looking at NU, yeah, that's about it for NU, really. That's sell. Marked out as a sell. USD CAD, again, market is closed so weird. We did see a tap into this level here, this one, which did work. Can I turn the ATR down? Oh, it's already on 1. Yeah, we saw a tap into that, which again, I think some people took. It was literally just strong move into level ATR. That was it. And now we've seen a move into this, which I was looking for a buy from here with the fib and a level, but we saw a miss, and now it looks like, yeah, I'm not really willing to go for that. So that is off the table, and now there isn't much there. You got this level down here, you got like this up here, but nothing too close that I'm interested in. USD Swiss did tap this level. Did the level work? I don't think it's done much yet. I mean, it has done technically 30, but obviously, if you were looking for entries, to be fair, you probably would have been tapped in. Where would your entry be? Probably 5 pips above. Yeah, probably 5. But yeah, that would you have hit take profit from 905? Let's have a look. 905. Oof, you would have hit take profit as well. That would have been a nice trade. So USD Swiss was okay, but again, I wasn't really. You did have a psych level, the fib, and the level, but this level was not looking too healthy. This was what had happened. Yeah, it was looking good then. We then failed and to create a decent pullback, shit pullback, created another pullback, but that level there is not looking nice. If we get rid of that for 2 secs, that does not look too nice. Yeah, nope. So I was more looking for USD Swiss as alignment for NZD Swiss. But yeah, USD Swiss got to level first. And yeah, that's it's now gone. So yeah, nothing there. UJ, not really bothered about JPY. CAD Swiss, again, we're at this weird level. CAD Swiss is a really weird one at the minute. We do have this, which could be potential, but it's a weird ass wick. I don't know if I'd be willing to take a trade off of it, to be honest. We'll see. CAD JPY useless and Swiss JPY useless. We do have highs on Swiss JPY coming up, actually, so that could be a potential zone of interest for like alignment and stuff. You do have the psych level at the minute lining up, which is actually nice. And yeah, that is about it. If we go to like gold, oh shit. 1 second. Yeah, gold. I mean, let's go to the 4 hour. This level provided. I don't know if we had any light. I mean, there was obviously psych level at 25. You do have this level right here at pretty much just above the psych level at 2.3, like 2.305 ish. Yeah, 100% wavefam. I'm gonna start forward testing it. So I'm gonna start taking some iffy levels on a daily on my personal. I've got like a small personal account and then a main personal account, but my small one. Oh no, shit! I have 3 personal accounts. I have my high risk, my low risk, like long term one, and then I have a forward testing one, where again I just go like 2% risk and just take pretty much anything. But I've not taken a trade on it in a while. But I did set a gold trade last week actually for this break and retest that lined up with a trend line. Pretty sure it was a trend line. Yeah, it was. But it didn't fortunately hit. But yeah, gold I'm going to start trading soon. I'm going to forward test for a little while. But gold is more of a 4 hour trade, to be honest. If you're trading on the daily on gold, you got to wait ages, man, for a setup. 4 hour time frame, 50 pip 1-to-1, and yeah, just go for levels in a confluence. Like level ATR, give it a go. Level fib ATR, give it a go. Level trendline psych, give it a go. I think 50 pip 1-to-1. Yeah, 50 pip 1-to-1. I think literally just a level and 2 confluences and you're chilling. Or level and even 1 confluence, to be honest. Give it a go and see how it goes. Yeah. And silver's almost at a really nice level as well. So that could be nice alignment for gold. Yeah. That is about it. Pretty much done. That is bang on the hour as well. That is beautiful. Oh, wait, the giveaway ended. Let me see who won. 1 second. The giveaway ended. 2015 UTC. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, it finishes at 9:15. Oh, I set it for the wrong time. Oops. My bad. Okay. 12 minutes until it ends if you haven't participated. It's just a 10k account with Blue Guardian. Easiest 10k account of your life. You just have to click participate. That's it. And join a Discord. You don't have to do anything. Just join a Discord. Don't have to say anything. Just hop in. Click enter. And that's it. Yeah. And you can degen the 10k account. You can go 10% risk. Whatever you want to do. Obviously, you just got to follow the rules. But if you want to blow it within 1 trade, go for it. Entirely up to you. Use it as a high risk, crazy account. Right, that is about it. Yeah. Do I have anything to say? No, not really. The website, new website is going to be coming out next week. Brand new freaking website. And it looks sexy. I can't lie. So good. This is the old one, by the way. This is the old website created by Leon. On Squarespace, which is very basic, but you know, it did the job. This little white line always pissed me off, but you know, it was all right, not too bad. I'm tempted to show. Have I shown you guys the website yet? Or have I not? I don't think I've shown anyone. I feel like I've shown it in a live stream. Don't know. Did I? You did. Oh, did I? In mentorship call. Oh, shit. Okay, I'll quickly show you guys anyway. I'll show the other guys that haven't seen it yet. 1 second, let me get it. Where is it? It is beautiful. Do you know how, like, I've followed, like, the prop firm type thing? Because all the prop firms have, like, this weird theme of website going on. And I'll show you right now what I mean. So, got the website. Here we go. Bing, bash, bosh. There we go. Let me get the chat open. Let me know what you think. So, if you have a look at, like, Alpha Capital, for example, it's like the graphic info, and it's like the, you know, they all have the interactive stuff and, like, the different things and what they do. It's just a bit nicer. You know, a bit of interaction here and there, you know, highlight things. That's what 369 modeled theirs after. So 369 also did 369C. They also did theirs similar to, you know, the little highlight thing, you know, here and there. Pretty nice. Testimonial thing is way too fast, but, you know, looks nice. So here is the new MCR one. You ready? Boom. It is so sexy. Free community for traders, and you might see your name on here. I don't know how easy you guys can see it. Oh, it's a bit blurry for you guys, but it's not for me. But that's the main graphic with, you know, all the chats and stuff. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Look at this. Oh my God. And then look at the thing up here, by the way. And when you move, it like changes to about, goes to features. We scroll down a bit more. Woohoo! Look at that. There's all, and you can hover over them. I've got to change the names. I've got Collins twice. Oops. You hover over them and you get a bit bigger. And then boom. Join now. And it leads straight to the Discord. How fucking clean is that? This bottom bit's a bit broke, so that's the only thing that's messed up. And yeah, you've got this thing up here, so if you scroll, it changes. And you can just click it. But it does this weird, like, when you click it, it does mess up a little bit, I can't lie. See how it goes back to features? It's really weird. Anyway, where's the ICT section? Fuck off. Yeah, clean. So nice. It's just one page. That's it. Oh shit, I broke it. Where's the top of the page? Oh, there we go. But yeah, it's just one section. I just need to add a section about me as well. Anyway, yeah, that's the new website. Fucking beautiful. I'm so happy with it. So much cleaner. And on phone, it looks like, you'll see. It also is perfect for phones. Let's see how it goes there to that yellow bar. So it goes to this instead. Let's go to the top. And you click this, and you can click the different things. It just minimizes all this stuff. What is MCR trading? And it shortens this. Fucking beautiful. And this little thing, this is nice. See how it like catches there? Yeah, anyway. Beautiful. And guess what? I got someone reached out to me saying, hey, do you need a website? And I was like, not really. But I was like, I'll happily look at, like, you know, your portfolio and what you've done. And he sent me his portfolio, and he's built some for like some other communities. And I was like, oh, they're pretty cool. It was like interactive ones like this. It was pretty shit. Not pretty shit. Pretty shit. It was pretty good. And I was like, what did you build it on? And he was like, an app called Framer. And I was like, oh, okay. And I was like, how much do you charge? And he was like, about 1,000, or I think it was like 1,300. And I was like, fucking hell. I'm not paying 1,300 for a website. So I decided to go to the Framer website, and I built this within like a week and a half. I learned it all myself. And I sent him the website back to him. And he was like, wow, that was good. Who did you get that made by? And I was like, I built it myself. And he's like, fucking hell. It's like, cheers for the website recommendation, mate. Yeah, I know that's pretty standard for a website, but Yeah, I'm not paying over 1,000 for a website. Literally this, if I would have paid 1,000 and got this website, I would have been happy. I would have been like, yeah, this is fucking sick. But nah, I got it for free and built it myself. Yeah.